Today, I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube, but first I have to have someone scramble it.
Done.
Okay, I'm going to start it. You might not be able to see it, but I'm sorry if you don't know how. Stop. Mine's a little still rusty.
That is it.
That is it.
That wasn't good.
Yeah, I know. If you can tell, I have the bottom done. All these sides, so it's the first step you're going to do.
Thunder!
The cross and the bottom ones are done, and
First two layers are done.
top done and second layer now, so all I need is just one layer left. Now, I have each corners done, and all I need is the edges.
Stop it when you're done.
I don't know.
Something like that.
Oh my gosh.
Why?
So found Sophie is happy doing it.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
No, don't come in, Mom.
They're both fixed. Why would they do that?
Stop.
I don't